Imagine a factory where machines not only operate autonomously but also communicate seamlessly, predicting maintenance needs before breakdowns occur. This is the essence of Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, where digital technologies and smart manufacturing processes converge to create intelligent production systems. The evolution of engineering education. To thrive in this new industrial era, engineers must possess a blend of traditional skills and expertise in advanced technologies. Educational institutions are responding by overhauling curricula with the following 4 skills: cyber-physical systems, integrating physical processes with computation and networking; Internet of Things, connecting devices to collect and exchange data; big data analytics, interpreting vast datasets to inform decision-making; artificial intelligence, implementing machine learning for predictive maintenance and process optimization; hands-on experience through learning factories. To bridge theory and practice, universities have established learning factories. These are simulated production environments where students apply Industry 4.0 concepts. These universities focus on developing competencies for lean production and Industry 4.0, allowing students to experience real-world manufacturing scenarios. Online courses and bootcamps. Recognizing the need for accessible education, institutions offer online courses and bootcamps. They seek to provide insights into the transformation of different sectors through new technologies and equip learners with skills to navigate the digital frontier. The role of advanced manufacturing technologies. Advanced manufacturing technologies are revolutionizing engineering education by bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. The integration of cutting-edge tools like 3D printing, CNC machining, and robotics into academic curricula enhances hands-on learning and prepares students for the demands of modern industry. Challenges and opportunities. Adapting to Industry 4.0 presents challenges, including the need for substantial investment in technology and training. However, it also offers opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and the development of sustainable manufacturing practices. By embracing these changes, engineering education can produce professionals equipped to lead in the era of smart manufacturing. In conclusion, the integration of digital technologies and smart manufacturing processes into engineering education is essential for preparing the next generation of engineers. Through updated curricula, hands-on learning environments, and accessible online courses, educational institutions are equipping students with the skills necessary to excel in Industry 4.0.